Welcome guys, and in this video I am with the REALME 10 and I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks. Okay, so first of all we are going to start from the standard photo mode, and right here we can find a couple of the hidden options. The first one, we can use the volume buttons. They are located on the right edge, and when you click once on the volume up or volume down, you can take photo. When you click and hold one of this button, you can take series of the photo. We can take 20 photos in each series. When you open the gallery and try to take a look on all of these photos, you have to just simply click on this button and take a look. They are located right here, and if you want to select any of them, just simply click select and tap on the marker in the right upper corner. Next, we can also click and hold for the shutter to also take series of the photo. When you tap on the screen once, you can adjust the brightness level, so we can decrease or increase brightness by moving this slider. Also, we can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. When you try to zoom in or zoom out, you can simply click right here and we can go for the 1x and also the 2x. But we can also click and hold on already selected preset, and we can simply enable 5x and also this slider with the 10x. And that's, by the way, the quality of the maximum zoom range on the REALME 10. As you can see, it is shaking because there is no optic image stabilization in the phone, so you have to hold your phone steady while taking the photos. Next, when you click in this place, we can add the filters, so they are right here, and they change color and the temperature on our photos. So for example, if you want to take photo with this one, just select and then click on the shutter. To get back original look, click in this place. When you tap in these 3 dots in the right upper corner, you can enable timer between 3 or 10 seconds. And after this time, the photo will be taken. I think that right now we can move for the more modes. So when you go for the 50 megapixel mode, we can get more details on the photos. So let me just show you how it works. Let's make 2 photos with this 50 megapixel mode in the normal mode. Okay, let's zoom in and let's take a look on the details. That's how the normal photo look. And let's go for the 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right here, we can find more details, especially when you take a look on this arena. And also we are able to zoom in much closer. Right now we can open more modes, where we can find, for example, the dual view mode for the videos. And take a look. Right now we are able to take photos, take the videos with the 2 cameras at the same time, so with the selfie camera and the rear camera. We can also change the theme, so we can get the picture in the picture. So yeah, that's that's how this mode looks. And right now we can simply go for the more settings. Right here we can enable camera grid lines and camera leveler. And this option allows us to take better photos, better composition basically. You can also turn off the shutter sound. When you keep scrolling, you can go for the shading methods, and you can enable tap to capture and show palm of the hand. So let's take a look how it works. When you click once on the screen, the photo will be taken. And when you show the palm of your hand to the phone, and it will be detected after 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. Okay, and that's all. That's all tips and tricks for the camera that you can use on the smartphone. That's the Realme 10. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.